Imagine a fire starting in the dead of night. How much time would you have to react if your alarm doesn't go off in time? Did you know that your smoke alarm could be the difference between life and death in an emergency? If you're like most homeowners, you probably haven't checked it in months or even years. And here's the kicker. Many of us assume they're working, but a dead or outdated alarm is as good as useless. In fact, over 40% of house fires result from homes with faulty or outdated smoke alarms. If your smoke alarm is older than 10 years, it needs to be replaced. No questions asked. And don't even think about skimping on those regular tests. A quick press of this button could save everything. Outdated alarms, especially the old ionization type, can take way too long to detect smoke. But modern photoelectric alarms, they're designed to catch slow, smoldering fires fast, the kind that cause the most deaths. Imagine a fire starting in the dead of night. How much time would you have to react if your alarm doesn't go off in time? Don't wait for tragedy to strike. Get your smoke alarms checked and replaced today, because when it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, there's no such thing as being too careful. Stay safe, check your alarms, and sleep easy tonight.